Welcome back to the channel. It should be the new name channel, from steel to wood. So again, the idea is to make a new project for Dave.
Yes, thank you, Joe. Don't worry about that. Thank you very much.
The project would be very simple, very small project. Is a 3-point Hitch receiver, which will allow Dave to plug a substantial trailer on his Mahindra and pull substantial logs. So that's the project. So we we pulled some material from the stock. We're going to cut pieces here and there. It should be a straightforward construction. It doesn't need to be so heavy because I mean, when you hold like 3,000 pounds, that would be it for that tractor.
Yes.
And you have to be lightweight at some point. So that's all the material. So we'll cut that, weld that, and yes, come along with us.
Good.
So this one piece, we had the exact same piece to make the thumb, the backhoe thumb for Dave. We used those two pieces to make the thumb. We had the exact same piece. Yeah. This, and that was the remaining of the part, and yet we use it only to make this. And make this. That's what they call recycling.
Yes. This is good.
And yeah, those parts are still good.
Yes.
Or you can make a
other project.
Mm-hmm.
That would be good for
skid plates. Yeah.
skid plate, right?
Yeah. Or might be also a boomerang.
A tomahawk.
Yeah. Okay. We have all the parts being cut. So as you can see, this is the small plates we made out of scrap steel. We're going to put the pins. This is a category 1 pins. They were a little bit loose. For that reason, we're going to put some sleeves in it. So we're going to weld the sleeves, and they will just fit fine. So that's it for this part. Now we have the center post going up. There will be, this is the hitch receiver. There will be some reinforcement like this on each side. So this is two pieces of angle iron. So that will make some reinforcement for the hitch receiver. And we have here this. The total length of this, we're at 26 inches. Oops, we're a little bit too long. We should remove a half of an inch on each side. This. We have one reinforcing plate here, and at the top, like this, to receive the upper link. And we're going to add some grab hooks on each side. Could be like this. Maybe we can put one here. Would that be better like this? I guess it's better like this. And the black hitch. This is pretty much it. Okay. Okay, we came up with that support to make sure that all the pieces are aligned, because we are going from one tube to the other tube through that hitch receiver. We're going to add some reinforcement to make sure that this one is not going to take all the load. So we're basically down to tack weld those. Good. It's been so long since I welded last time that this one, you know, this is a solar activated. It's darkening by default, and it lets you see when you have not so much light, but you need some power to light up so that you can see through. But you have to leave it on the sun or something like that so that it charges. But it's been in the closet for so long that when I weld, I stop welding, it doesn't come back to clear. So I have to wait for so long to be able to see. So that means that we've been too long without welding. Okay. 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 Okay, this is the hitch receiver. This. Cross. So you have a receiver, but yet this kind of tube is a mechanical tube, which makes it at first there's no weld inside, and second it's very tight against any kind of a hitch like this. But it's not reinforced. Quick easy tip for reinforcing. So you take a 3x3 1/4 inch iron angle, you cut a little bit on each, and you wrap around like this. So you make a quick reinforcing like this. That's easy like that. Now I need some a third hand to clamp this down. Okay, ready to tack weld?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You have your mask?
Yes.
the most important thing next, hooks. We're going to put a few hooks like this, just a little bit in an angle, so when pulling up and down should be working. So this way is not so good, so we're going to put a slight angle toward the pump. We might put that a little bit lower so that when you pull with the Mahindra, it's going to pull more with the bottom arms than the top link. So I'll put that like here. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Like this. If you pull from bottom or up, so you should be okay. Like this. Good, that's well done.
Joe is tightening his key and the bolt.
Yeah, that's a finishing adjustable wrench. Okay, we're not going to do a full tighten. It's just going for a tile. I mean, so obviously Dave is going to paint it with colors. And my guess is that there might be either or yellow, black, red.
No.
What else? No red?
No red.
At least yellow.
Yes, yellow, yes, for sure.
Good.
Black, for sure, yes. I have to stay in my same pattern.
That's a well-known pattern.
Yes! Across various areas.
Okay, that's it for now. Okay, this is it. We have the pins on the side, so that's category 1 pins, 26 inches, 20 inches from the top. That will be good for receiver, 2 inches receiver, like so, with the pin. And yeah, you can attach chains. So the only thing remaining is to paint it.
Yes!
And you have 2 grab hooks, so you can log with that. You can hold the trailer and put your safety chain on that. That could be very useful, I guess.
Yes.
This is it, guys and girls, if there's any.
I'm wondering.
Dave is single, by the way. Okay, this is it. I hope that you enjoyed. That was an easy project. It took maybe a couple of hours, 2, maximum 3, but you have to know that we speak a lot and take a little bit more time. And you have to know, in Canada, we cannot find that much of those equipment for cheap like you do in US. And delivery is also expensive, so most of the time what you can get in US for a very affordable price, like I think that they sell it like $50, something like that. We don't get that under $100. Even then, delivery can cost a lot because it's heavy. It's big.
Taxes.
So that will be useful for receiver, grab hook for safety chains on the trailer, or either pulling logs. And if you want to see that being painted, it will be in part 2, but on Dave's channel.
Yes.
he's going to paint it, and hopefully you make a video out of it using it.
Yes.
See you in the next one. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe, by the way.
Go
Thank you.